Hi guys, welcome back with us to the Mamibot's channel, and today we are doing another unboxing video for Flomo S Cordless Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Let's see what we have in the box. As you can see, this is the main body for the machine. We're gonna introduce it later for the details. Please hold on. And this is the handle for this. And then also we have like an extra brush for you. And then this is a strainer for you to clean the dirty water tank. And this is a HEPA filter. And the charger, this is for you to do, for the vacuum to do the self-cleaning. A little cleaning tool for you. Also, the instruction book for you how to use it. Last but not least, this is a station for the vacuum cleaner. The battery capacity of this vacuum cleaner is around 4000 mAh. So after fully charged, it can work around 40 to 50 minutes. Also, it's with a brushless motor. So we have like two suction modes. Eco mode 9000 PA, max mode 12,000 PA. So here you can see it's a dirty water tank. The capacity of it is 900 milliliter. And then also we have a clean water tank from the back. It's around 700 milliliter. And here is the cover for the brush. You can take it off. And then also the brush is detachable too when you want to clean the brush. There is a special part of the station. As you can see, this part is made of graphene. So it can do the hot drying for the brush after self-cleaning. So now let's introduce the handle. As you can see, here is two buttons for the handle. This one is the power button, which you can turn the vacuum on. And then below we had a 2-in-1 button. When you short press this button, it can switch to different suction power. When you long press it, it can switch to cleaning modes, wet and dry. Now let's try to assembling it. You can also learn some information from the LCD screen. And then this means suction. This is wet cleaning. This is dry cleaning. This stands for water tank is full. This stands for the water tank lack of water. And then this means the self-cleaning mode is turned on. And then the battery you can see from here. And then when it's charging, this will light up. Also the auto mode. Now let's see how we do the self-cleaning.
Self-cleaning start. Self-cleaning is done. Please empty the dirty water tank. Self-drying the rolling brush.